I'd like to introduce Android for Work and how it interfaces with the 217 Operations Testing program. The concept is that we have a company-managed section of a phone, and it is completely and securely separated from a personal use section. This allows a dual purpose for a mobile device for corporate supplied applications. On the phone, a device policy application must be installed. This interfaces through an enterprise mobile management system, and it establishes a remote corporate management for the purchase, installation, and monitoring of corporate apps. From the phone standpoint, the employee is using a familiar Google Play Store interface. Google Apps for Work. Google Mobile Management is a free enterprise mobile management solution that's available for Google Apps for Work customers. Android for Work is also free to Google Apps for Work customers. And when this has been enabled, a user, when logging in, will be asked to install the Google Apps device policy application. This creates a separate work profile, which can be managed by the administrator, and it's constructed on the tester's phone. Accepted by an employee who wants to use his own phone for work, or it could be required for all company-owned phones. The administrator shops for apps while logged into the Google Play Store for Work. Bulk purchases can be made using a singular Google Wallet that would likely be configured with a credit card assigned to the Android for Work administrator. In the admin console, under Device Management, you select Apps Management. Here you can whitelist apps from those purchased or approved on the Play Store for Work. Employees then visit the Play Store for Work while logged into their railroad.com address, and they can install purchased apps. The administrator can then manage these apps and monitor their usage through the Admin console under the Users tab. The work profile can be remotely reset. This will free up copies of purchased apps for installation on other phones. This can happen due to phone upgrade, loss, or personnel changes. Uninstalling an app on one phone increases the number available on the Play Store for Work. In this fashion, a purchased app can be transferred from one phone to another. The 217 Operation Testing program uses Google Sign-In, and it connects and authenticates the user to the license purchased at the Play Store, and this is monitored by the Google Apps for Work administrator. Each submitted test has this authentication attached, and it becomes part of the output database in support of analysis and auditing purposes. The authentication follows uninstalls of the app, reinstalls, and changes in personnel. Monitoring by the 217 program officer, the Google for App Works administrator, and tomPhyzx via the Firebase app authentication system ensure security and quality of data for an electronic 217 program conformance.